Do you wonder what does an empty bottle and a great beauty product have in common? They are both worth talking about. Let's dive into my product empties 2024. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share some of my most loved products across skincare, body care and hair care. Now I have used all these products till the very last drop, so I can let you know guys why are they worth repurchasing. So first up is this product right here. This is the Plix Pomegranate Youth Renewal Night Cream. It has 1% retinol, bakuchiol and olive squalane. It claims to reduce signs of aging. Now this retails for Rs 550 for 50 grams of product. So let's see how the inner packaging is. So it comes in this glass jar, and as you can see, I have emptied the whole jar. I like this cute pink, pomegranate pink colored jar. Now let's check out the actual ingredient list. Now since this is a gel-based moisturizer, so it has an array of humectants like aloe vera powder, pentavitine, propanediol, wheat germ oil which is also an emollient, along with olive squalane. Now humectants are water-based products that attracts water or moisture from the atmosphere and helps your skin retain it, whereas emollients are oil-based products that form a protective layer on your skin that nourishes your skin and also prevents moisture loss. It also has other humectants like betaine, pentylene glycol, sodium hyaluronate and D-panthenol, which is also a soothing ingredient, along with aloe vera powder. It also has antioxidants like bakuchiol, ferulic acid, green tea extract and vitamin E. Now bakuchiol and ferulic acid also have antimicrobial properties. Now obviously it has pomegranate extract, orange peel extract and licorice extract, which in here is a superstar ingredient because it also has soothing and skin brightening properties. Another goodie ingredient to talk about here is the presence of sodium hyaluronate, which is like a sodium form cousin of the popular hyaluronic acid. Now I really like this moisturizer. It has this beautiful pleasant fruity fragrance that is not overpowering. It is quick absorbing and calming on my skin. And it also gives me a smooth blemish-free skin in the morning. I think normal to dry skin type people, combination skin type people and even sensitive skin type people can try this moisturizer. Second one is this face wash. This is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Gentle Foaming Cleanser. It says it has 8% amino micellar and it is skin pH friendly. I think it retails for Rs 345 for 100 grams of product. Now let's see the actual ingredient list. Now talking about the hero ingredients, it has humectants like glycerine and capryl glycol and an emollient named glycol distearate. Now since this is a cleanser, it has a range of cleansing ingredients that include sodium cocoyl glycinate and sodium cocoyl isethionate. Now it also has other cleansing ingredients that include cocamidopropyl betaine, myristic acid and lauric acid. Now cocamidopropyl betaine is actually famous for its bubble producing and bubble stabilizing property and also works well with other cleansing agents. Now I can't rave enough about this face wash. As you can see, I have completely emptied the squeezy tube and is so good in removing light to medium makeup without irritating the skin or excessively drying the skin. Now this has a creamy white texture that foams well and you won't need a lot of quantity, especially if you are removing light makeup. For heavy makeup though, I would suggest that you use an oil-based cleanser followed up with this gentle cleanser. This is one of the best micellar water face washes I've tried and it's also quite reasonably priced. Now the third product in today's video is this Engage Floral Zest for Her Women's Deodorant. It retails for Rs 249 for 150 ml of product. Now you may have already seen on the ingredient list that it has a humectant named propylene glycol. Now since this is a deodorant, so it would have an array of perfuming ingredients, namely benzyl salicylate, citronellol. Now benzyl salicylate has a floral fragrance and citral has a sweet lemony fragrance. Now both these fragrances belong to the EU 26 fragrances list, which mean that they have allergen potential, whereas citronellol has a rose-like odor. It also has perfuming ingredients like coumarin, geraniol and hexyl cinnamon. Now coumarin has a sweet vanilla nutty scent, whereas hexyl cinnamon has a jasmine-like fragrance. Also these fragrances belong to the EU 26 fragrances which have allergen potential. Geraniol is a famous perfuming ingredient that smells like rose. Now it also has other fragrancing ingredients that include isoeugenol, limonene and linalool. Now, limonene and linalool are also super common fragrancing ingredients and they have allergen potential. Now, I like this deodorant because it is reasonably priced, it smells good and also lasts long. Now, despite of its perfuming ingredients that are quite icky, I have never faced any kind of irritation on my skin. So if you have normal skin, then you can definitely try this deodorant. For sensitive skin type people though, I would suggest that you first patch test this deodorant on your skin and then use it. Now the next product that I have used and loved a lot is this one right here. This is the Buds and Berries Red Onion Anti-Hair Fall Oil. It retails for rupees 375 for 100 grams of product or 100 ml of product, and also gives you all these clean beauty assurances that it is silicone free, mineral oil free, phthalate free, paraben free and all that. So if we open this outer packaging, then this is the bottle. So as you can see, I have used a lot of it, only a very little tiny bit amount is left. So let's see what the ingredients list say. Now it has emollients like rice bran oil, Panax ginseng root extract and black cumin seed oil. Now all of these ingredients also have antioxidant properties. It also has other emollients like sunflower seed oil, sesame seed oil and coconut oil. Now obviously it has onion oil which has antimicrobial properties, followed by salicylic acid, which is a superstar ingredient in here because of its exfoliating and soothing properties. It also has antioxidants like BHT and tocopherol. Now tocopherol is actually a commonly used version of pure vitamin E. It has a perfuming ingredient named Lang Lang oil, which is a popular essential oil, and it has a sweet, exotic and floral fragrance. It also has a sunscreen named benzophenone 3, which is basically a chemical sunscreen agent which can absorb both UVA and UVB radiations and is highly stable. Now this is such an amazing hair oil, you guys. Now although it is an onion hair oil, it does not smell like onions at all. It is quick absorbing and feels calming and nourishing on my scalp. I have also noticed reduced hair fall and softness on my hair whenever I have left it overnight. So if you too have dry scalp or dry hair situation, then you can try this hair oil. Next on the list of most loved products in today's video is this one right here. This is the Tresemme Pro Protect Sulfate Free Shampoo. It retails for rupees 950 for 580 ml of product. And if I have to recommend you one product that you should totally get if you have chemically treated hair, then this would be it, and you will know why. I forgot to show you the empty bottle, you guys, so this is it. I have totally used it until the last drop. Now since this is a shampoo, so let's first discuss about its cleansing ingredients that include sodium methyl cocoyl taurate and cocamidopropylbutane. Now cocamidopropylbutane, as you may have already heard, it is basically the ingredient that causes and stabilizes bubbles and it's also good with other cleansing agents. And sodium methyl cocoyl taurate is actually a very mild and gentle cleanser. It is the one that gives you that smooth and soft afterfeel. It comes from coconuts and it is biodegradable. It has emollients like argania kernel oil and dimethiconol. Now dimethiconol is actually a silicone similar to dimethicone, which forms a smooth and silky non-greasy layer or film on the skin. It also has a sunscreen named titanium dioxide. Now titanium dioxide is one of the two members of the elite sunscreen group called Physical Sunscreen. It has citric acid, which is an AHA, so it is exfoliating by nature, so it can remove the dead skin cells from your skin to make it feel more fresh and smooth. Now why I love this shampoo, because despite of it being sulfate free, it gives nice lather and foam on the hair. It cleanses my scalp very well without leaving it dry or irritated. It smoothens and softens my hair shaft. It has an above average fragrance, but it just feels so nice on the hair. Now if you have color treated or chemically treated hair, I can recommend this shampoo to you guys because at this price point it is a very good quality shampoo. So this is going to be the last product in today's most loved products empties video. This is the Elements Renewal Hair Mask. It retails for rupees 1250 for 150 ml of product, and this is the outer packaging, very simple, and this is how it looks from inside. It is completely empty now because I've used till the very last drop. So let's see what the ingredients list say. It has emollients that include hydrogenated ethyl hexyl olivate and hydrogenated olive oil. It also has other emollients like cetyl alcohol and stearyl alcohol. Now, stearyl alcohol is a fatty, good emollient type of alcohol that is known for its non-drying and non-irritating nature. It has tocopherol acetate, which is a very commonly used version of vitamin E, and citric acid, which is an exfoliant. So like any other AHA, it can gently remove the dead skin cells from your skin to make it look fresh and smooth. Now this product has become one of my favorite hair masks. It smells pleasant and feels so nourishing on my hair. It leaves my hair soft and smooth without weighing it down. I would give this hair mask a 9 on 10, although it is a bit pricey, but I will still recommend this hair mask if you want a lightweight, gentle hair mask that can nourish your hair shaft, make it smooth and soft without weighing it down. So that is a wrap for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to share your comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!